Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered error code 403 while using your browser, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to just simply refresh the page. So if I am using this page, then I will simply refresh it by either clicking here and clicking enter, or I will click on the refresh button. Alright, if I'm still getting the error, I will recheck the URL here, if it's the correct URL or not. And if there's a hash symbol here, the slash symbol here, backslash symbol, I will just remove it and press enter. Normally this should fix the issue, but this, if it doesn't, then you need to clear the browser cache and the cookies. So we will go to history, and we'll go to history again. We'll go to delete browsing data, and we will select the time range all time. This is the same method for all the browsers, be it Edge or Chrome or Opera, Firefox. So you can use this. I'm using this on Chrome. You can use this on any other browser. Select all time, select browsing history, cookies, and cached images, and click on delete data. Once that is done, we will again restart the browser. And if we cannot, then the only thing it could be is that the permission to the required URL that you're trying to log into is denied by the system administrator. This is especially in those places like your workplace or in a public place like a library, where you have a whole lot of computers which are controlled by a system administrator who controls the access and can deny access to particular sites, and that is why you're getting the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.